So in this video we are going to see the pnputil to install our driver. So currently the driver is running at the version 3 and we are printing the version 3 here. So we can change this to 1, changing the number to 1 and build the solution. Copy the sys and inf files over to the desktop, and using the command prompt running as administrator you can use pnputil. The pnputil comes with the Windows, you do not need to install anything, and here you can use pnputil to enumerate the devices. So this is the usage. So you can use enum devices connected. This gives you the list of all the devices, and you can go ahead and filter these for your device. Find str/i. We can search for test pnp, and here you can see our description, test pnp device, and you can also use the class GUID. Specify the /class and paste the GUID, and you can see all the devices. Now you can go up and see the test pnp device from the Nickel Industries. So let's go ahead and add our driver. So we are going to head over to the desktop because that's where our files are. pnputil, we are going to say add driver and supply the test pnp driver.inf and /install. So if you want to force install, you can use the force. Now it will install the exact version, whether it is downgraded or upgraded. So click on this install this driver software anyway, and we are going to restart. And now you can see the driver version is 1, and you can see the print statement add device version 1. So we can disable the device. Now enable the device again, and you can see the version 1. So in this way you can use the pnputil to install a driver.